Used for yacht, sailing the sea, gliding on waves, wild and free. With a sail or motor, it travels afar. A yacht takes you where adventures are. It's for yo-yo, up, up and down, spinning around without a sound. With a flick of the wrist, it loops and flies. A yo-yo's tricks are a fun surprise. It's for yarn, soft and warm, used to knit sweaters that keep out the storm. In bright colors, spun around tight, yarn makes blankets cozy and bright.